In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix an app that is not opening after update. First is to do a simple reboot since this will clear the memory and can fix temporary glitches. You can also do force step. Go to the settings and head to the apps and find the app that you want to fix and click the force step in that option. And then try opening it again. So if that doesn't solve it, you can try clearing the cache and the data, which you can find in the apps interface of that application. You set to its storage and then click the clear cache and then click the clear data. This will reset the app settings. Another one is for checking the updates in the Play Store. So open your Play Store and then head to the profile icon and click the manage apps and devices and click the updates. You will see all the available application that needs updates. Just find the exact application and then click the update button. You can also do system update. Just head to the settings and find the system and click the system update. And I hope that will solve everything. That's how you can fix Android app not opening after update, and thank you for listening.